Hello there, this is John of Art, and we welcome you to today's special edition, The House That Barter Built. You want to know exactly why we bartered some items, like artworks and other stuff, so that we can convert them to other things that we need for the construction of an entire house. And that's the house of PACIT. So follow me in this journey as we see and witness how this house grows out of mostly bartered materials. Even the gate right behind me was taken from barter. I bartered it for an abstract painting. These are my doggies. They're not up for barter, but just to explain to you the sounds that you hear in my video. This is PACIT, and that's Robert. Even the services of Robert and this jeepney is bartered for a painting. Thank you, Butch, for providing this service and for the barter, and off we go to our journey. Ano ma'am ba? Mukhang basugod na ta, pangulikta sa mga barter ta.
Salamat lang din.
Ay! Pasit is overwhelmed and there are no words to express her gratitude. Next item for pickup are 35 pieces of big tiles. We are here at the home of my friend. Thank you so much, Ting Ting, a good friend of mine. She used to be an office mate and donated a lot of tiles for the House of Pasit. Thank you.
Welcome.
We are now at Dojo co-working space, and we will be picking up a couple of doors for Pasit's house. There's the door. We are picking up 2 doors for Pasit. Oh, hello lang ka mo. Hello lang. Of course, yes. Amo nang barter.
Naman sobra, magaling. Tinubon pa eh. Marami salamat kay Leia.
Dumangakos na na.
Oo, dumangakos na. Ang pinatag niya sa akin eh. Hanggang nabubuhay ako, hindi ko malipatan.
We are now here at Chandra's place to pick up the pipes right over there. Thank you so much for these pipes. Thank you for the pipes. Yeah, makabulig ni sa kay Pasit nga balay. Last and final stop for our barter pickup. We are here at 5 Stars Lumber to pick up 12 pieces of galvanized iron sheets for Pasit's house for her roofing needs. So this is the compound. That's our Jeep, by the way. The Jeep service is also bartered. The services also bartered. Everything in there is 99% bartered. So look what barter can do. 12 sheets of galvanized iron. All right. These are new 10 feet long galvanized iron sheets. Anong mahambal mo?
Salamat Inday Boots na intagaan mo ko sen. Marami gid salamat, hindi ko gid na malipatan.
This is overflow. Overflow. Finally, I'm looking all haggard and disheveled because we went through a very rough road going to Pasit's house, and we are here with all the neighbors and the Jeep with all our goods. Oh, nakaapas man gin. Ariana. Ang mga gamit. Nakadto sa balay ni Pasit. Yes. Okay.
Halin ka mo da to kaya takto. Halin ka mo da kaya ang nagbuka.
Other materials. Woohoo. Oh. Yep. Oops. Very dusty. This is the place. where PACIT will build her house, right here on the very spot where her children and her grandchildren are standing on. That house is the house of her son, and this house is also the house of her daughter. So they will be all together here in this compound. So now we're going to share a few snacks. I don't know how you do it social distancing wise. This is a different world. This is a different world where social distancing concept is pretty much alien. And well, I think they're very much exposed to the health benefits of sunlight. Their immune system, uh, their immune systems are very, very strong. They're not wearing masks, no social distancing. They're very close to each other. So I don't know how to behave wearing a mask. So it's pretty different out here. Salamat, Gid. Thank you. Mahaw tanay, pamahaw, pamahaw. Have some snacks or have a little bit of refreshment. We are now riding back to the city, or actually, we are now riding back to the city. And on our way to the hollow blocks. We are now on our way to San Enrique to check out the hollow blocks. Unfortunately, there's a delay, half a day of delay because of mechanical trouble. And so we just have to go there to check on how are we able to claim the 500 pieces of hollow blocks. And this is how bad the road is here. And this mode of transportation is, it couldn't handle such a huge delivery. So it's up to them to find a bigger truck to get their hollow blocks and then deliver them here. Okay, look at how bad it is. So here we are, we're discussing how to pick up 500 pieces of hollow blocks, so that much hollow blocks to carry to Maao. This is San Enrique, this is a separate town, and Maao is part of Bago City, which is another separate jurisdiction. They're not delivering from here to there, so it's quite a challenge how to transport this much. Just look. That much hollow blocks. Alright, so PACIT is very happy, and it's a good problem for her. This is Joan of Art in PACIT's journey to construct her house that Barter built. See you in our next video, the continuation of this saga.